Everyone. Okay, so I'm filming this because I'm filming this. I got this package. I'm not showing the other side because it has all my info on it, but it says show the world what you stand for, and then I think that this is Mark Tuan's because I read represent at the bottom, and I'm really excited because Mark Tuan's my alt, like, he's my top alt bias, like, I spent $80 Canadian on this, so, yeah. But I think that this is Mark Tuan's hoodie, from his limited clothing, line, for represent, and I'm, like, freaking out a little bit because it just came in, and I was, like, laying in bed. I was literally watching a Mark Tuan video, but, yeah, so I got the black hoodie, and I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna cry a little bit. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Okay, so this is, like, how I took it out. I got a medium because I really like my hoodies oversized, so that's the little, logo thing. Oh, frick. I'm scared. Okay, so on the inside it says Mark Tuan, and then it has the size. Yeah, so I got a medium because I like my hoodies oversized. The strings are kind of weird right now, so. And then on the hood it has 93 with the little, yeah. Okay, I'm scared. Okay. Back there's nothing. Oh my god. Okay, I'm shaking right now. Okay. And then on this side it says work hard, play hard. Work hard is in white, and this play hard is in red. Oh my god. I'm freaking out. I've stand Mark Tuan for so long. Okay, and then this side says the same thing in the same colors, and I got the black one. I was actually contemplating getting the white one, but I wear black a lot more, so I just got the black one. I'm gonna try it on, and then I'll show you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. It looks like any other hoodie I have, but, like, it's so, it is a little bit oversized, so I'm happy because when I was, like, putting it on, it felt a little bit small, and I freaked out for a second, but it's good. It's all good. I'm gonna try the hood. I literally, like, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna cry. Okay. That's cute. Okay. Okay. I actually really like this. I'm just happy that it came before I moved houses, because then, like, whoever rents my house before they're tearing it down will get my hoodie. But yeah, I'm so happy. Oh my god. Oh, it looks so good. And it feels really soft. Like, it's my little, like, first impressions and review of the hoodie. If you guys like this random video, give it a thumbs up. My laptop is broken right now, so I can't upload, like, videos right now, but this is, like, filmed on my phone, and I'm probably just gonna, like, cut it into bits and stuff and then upload it. I can't even, like, I don't have access to my outro anymore either, so I'm probably gonna make a new one when I get, like, my laptop fixed or whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.